Assalamu alaikum girls. Our today's topic is defect in human vision. Uh, we are going to cover the SLOs, that is regarding state the short-sightedness and long-sightedness, ray diagrams to show the formation of a image of an individual with normal vision, short-sightedness and long-sightedness. And the third is the correction for short-sightedness and long-sightedness using convex and concave mirror. Now the first is that how the image is formed in the normal eye. So the in the normal eye, the image is formed, you know that this is an eyeball and the rays are passing from the cornea, that is the front of transparent front covering of lens, and then after passing through the lens the image is formed on the retina. Okay, now how the image is formed. This is the tree is the object. The ray of light will travel through cornea uh, and diffracted through the lens and make the image of the top over here. The ray 1, 2 will join over here and make the image over here. Similarly, the two bottom rays 3 and 4, they also at the cornea and lens they refracted and make the image over here. So you can see that a normal eye see a real inverted and a smaller size of image is formed on the retina. This is the normal human eye, the normal vision. Now, how the reformation of the eye when the things are distinct, how they looks like the ray diagram, and when the things are very near to them. Okay, now this is the rays of light that are coming from the distant object. So we are taking the parallel rays of light are coming from the distant object. They enter the eye and they converges after passing through the cornea and the eye lens and produces an image on the eye. This is how a distinct image is formed. And for the when we are reading a book or we are uh, observing the nearby objects. Now, if see that this is a button, the two rays that are uh, for after passing through the retina, after passing through the lens and the cornea, they comes and make an join over here and make an image over here. Now you see that just to see the near object, the lens become thick. Thick length means the focal length of this lens become short, and it is focused on the retina. So this is how I see a near objects and the far objects and the normal vision is there. Now what are the defects? The first defect is hypermetropia or long-sightedness. So what is the definition of that? What is that defect is? It is the defect of human eye in which a person see clearly the object at a large distance, means the distinct objects are seen clearly, but unlike the person is unable to see the nearby objects clearly. Now this is what the